Today, I'm here with Shelly and Gloria.
Hi, guys.
We're going to talk about safety tip number 76. And since I can never understand what Gloria's trying to tell me, I invited Shelly. She speaks dog. Gloria, do you know why it's important to look both ways when you cross the street?
Wow, I have this great talent to know what Gloria said. And you know what she said is that lots of times children, or actually dogs, don't look both ways when they're crossing the street and they get hit. Oh, and we want you guys to be safe, especially over spring break.
That's right, Shelly. So, remember, kids, when you cross the street with your puppy, or your grandma, or your mommy, look both ways. And it's not just a good idea. It's